Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about write a Python program to determine whether the character entered is a vowel, or digit, or white space, or consonant, or special symbol. This is the simple program. First, we have to read any character from the keyboard by using this statement. CH is equal to input of enter any character. Now, if the character entered from the keyboard by using the input function, that can be assigned to the variable ch. Now, the variable ch contains a character whatever we are read from the keyboard. If the given character is capital A or capital E or capital I or capital O or capital U, small a or small e or small I or small u, then we can say that it is a vowel. Suppose if the entered character is in between 0 to 9, hence we can say that the entered character is a digit. Suppose if the entered character is any special symbol such as dollar, at the rate, percentage, backslash, semicolon, hence we can say that the entered character is a special symbol. Suppose if the entered character is any space, then we can say that the entered character is a white space. Otherwise, we can say that the entered character is a consonant. Now, we have to write if ch is equal to capital A, logical R, ch is equal to capital E, logical R, ch is equal to capital I, logical R, ch is equal to capital O, logical R, ch is equal to capital U, logical R, ch is equal to small a, logical R, ch is equal to small e, logical R, ch is equal to small I, logical R, ch is equal to small o, logical R, ch is equal to small u. So then we have to say that print the entered character is a vowel. We already know that vowels are nothing but A, E, I, O, U, both in uppercase and lowercase letters. Next, elif ch greater than or equal to 0 and ch less than or equal to 9. So the entered character in between 0 to 9, we can say that print the entered character is a digit. Next, elif, we have to take some special symbols. Ch is equal to at the rate, logical or. Ch is equal to dollar, logical or. Ch is equal to some star, logical or. Ch is equal to some percentage symbol, logical or. Ch is equal to some logical and. I am taking only some special symbols. Okay. So printf the entered character is a special symbol. Suppose elif ch is equal to I am giving white space. Then we can say that print the entered character is a white space. Suppose if the entered character is not there in the above cases, we can say that else case. So print the entered character is a consonant. Consonant means not vowels. In between capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, except capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital U, small a, small e, small I, small o, small u. These are the vowels. Except these vowels, whatever the characters are there in both uppercase alphabets and lowercase alphabets, that can be considered as consonants. So this is the program. Now we have to save this program. Check vowel, check vowel. Save, this is this name. Now we have to run this program. Click on the run, click on run module. So see this one, enter any character. Suppose I am entering capital A. Capital A is nothing but vowel. The entered character is a vowel. Next, once again I am executing. Enter any character. So I am giving some percentage symbol. So this is a entered character is a special symbol. Once again I am running. Entered any character. I am giving 7. So the entered character is a digit. Once again I am running. Enter any character. I am giving white space. The entered character is a white space. In this way, we have to check whether the entered character is a vowel or a digit or a white space or a consonant or a special symbol. So I hope all of you understanding this program. If you really understanding this program, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you really like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, Dibbala Srinivas Rao. After subscribing my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all for watching this video.